Welcome to science class. In this class, we learn a new lesson, electricity. We have already learnt about the electricity in your lower classes. Electricity deals with the flow of electric charges through a conductor. As a common term, it refers to a form of energy. The usage of electric current in our day-to-day life is very important and necessary. You are already aware of the fact that it is used in houses, educational institutions, hospitals, industries, etc. So in this lesson, we will learn various terms used in understanding the concept of electricity, and we will realize the importance of the applications of electricity in day-to-day situations. Electric current. The motion of electric charges, that is electrons, through a conductor, for example copper wire, will constitute an electric current. In this figure, flow of electrons is shown. This is similar to, that means the flow of current is similar to the flow of water through a channel or a flow of air from a region of high pressure to a low pressure region. In a similar manner, the electric current passes from positive terminal to, that means higher electric potential of a battery, to the negative terminal, that means lower electric potential through a wire. Positive terminal is high electric potential and negative terminal means low electric potential. Definition of electric current. Electric current is termed as current and it is represented by the symbol I. It is defined as the rate of flow of charges in a conductor. This means that the electric current represents the amount of charges flowing in any cross section of conductor in unit time. If a net charge Q passes through any cross section of a conductor in time t, then the current flowing through the conductor I is equal to Q by T. I current equal to Q by T. SI unit of electric current. The SI unit of electric current is ampere A. The current flowing through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere when a charge of 1 coulomb flows across any cross section of a conductor in 1 second. Hence, 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. Electric circuit. This is a simple electric circuit. The simple electric circuit consists of battery, switch and light. An electric circuit is a closed conducting loop or path which has a network of electrical components through which electrons are able to flow. This path is made using electrical wires so as to connect an electric appliance to a source of electric charges. This is a schematic diagram of a simple electric circuit comprising of a battery, electric bulb, switch, ammeter and resistor. In this circuit, if the switch is on, the bulb glows. If it is switched off, the bulb does not glow. Therefore, the circuit must be closed in order that the current passes through it. The potential difference required for the flow of charge is provided by the battery. The electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal of the battery. The electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal of the battery. By convention, the direction of current is taken as the direction of flow of positive charge or opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. Electrical components. The electric circuit consists of different components such as battery, ammeter, a switch and a bulb. All these components can be represented by using certain symbols. Resistor. It is an electrical component that reduces the electric current. The resistor's ability to reduce the current is called resistance and is measured in units of ohms. In this figure, the resistor and the symbol of resistor are shown. Rheostat. Rheostat, adjustable resistor used in applications that require the adjustment of current or the varying resistance in an electric circuit. In this figure, rheostat and the symbol of rheostat are shown. Ammeter. An ammeter, that means from ampere meter, is a measuring instrument used to measure the current in a circuit. Electric currents are measured in amperes, A, hence the name. So this is ammeter and this is symbol of ammeter. Instruments used to measure smaller currents in the milliampere or microampere range are designated as milliammeters or microammeters. Next, voltmeter. A voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. This is voltmeter and this is the symbol of voltmeter V. Galvanometer. A galvanometer is an electromechanical instrument used for detecting and indicating an electric current. That means galvanometer is used to find the direction of current. In this figure, electronic galvanometer and the symbol of galvanometer G are shown. Ground connection. Ground or earth is the reference point in an electrical circuit from which voltages are measured. A common return path for electric current or a direct physical connection to the earth. In this figure, earthing is shown and this is the symbol of earthing. Here, the electrical components, uses of the components and symbol used for the components are tabulated. Students, I hope you all have understood electric current, electric components and their symbols. Thank you.